Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance in Houston, Texas, with a truck we've been wanting to build for a long time. Now, when we came out earlier this year, late last year, with our Jackal SUV, we started with our shop Suburban. Then we went to the Tahoe. Some of you saw we did an awesome lifted Yukon for our Jackal SUV series, and then here is the final installation of these GM SUVs that we think are the best out there. This one you may have heard from the intro audio is a diesel, the 3.0 liter Duramax 2024 Escalade. Super cool truck. I've always had a soft spot for Escalades and always wanted to do one right. So thanks for this customer with trusting us with his build, and we think he nailed it. So we took off the boring and terrible riding air ride system that came on this truck. If you've ever experienced that air ride, you know that it is too soft when it's aired down and it is too stiff when it's aired up. We delete all of that, but keep the truck happy. No lights on the dash, no speed limiters for those of you who know what I'm talking about. And we throw all that away and come in with some really quality off-road parts. We do 2.5-inch coilovers on all four corners, fabricated control arms that give us more travel and articulation. And I can honestly say, having driven a lot of PaxPower trucks, a lot of off-road trucks, these are some of the best riding ones out there. I think it's because of the weight on the back end, but these things ride amazing. And while this one is not all about performance, it has the 3.0 liter diesel, which I think is cool and an awesome alternative to the V8s. We can supercharge one of these, and I know a lot of you look at the Escalade V and those crazy price tags. Well, let's get around that. Let's buy a standard Escalade, supercharge it to 650 horsepower, and build something awesome like this. You get to pick all of the details. This customer went with 24-inch wheels, 35-inch Nitto tires. If you want to go with 17-inch wheels, if you want to go with a different look, whatever. We make every one of these built to order, and the first step is always give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.